All right, y'all. I am in the local farmers market looking for something to smoke. Today they don't have much options. They don't have much options today at all. And I'm not trying to stay here long because I hate this mask on my face. At the local farmers market, got some beef short ribs. I'm really looking for some ribs. Let's see what else they got up here. I don't know what this is. So we'll see what I pick up, what I decide to pick up. Speed is gonna be first, so we'll see. See what we got going on here. Alright, look like they got some short ribs. Got a little taste for ribs, so I might get some ribs. We'll see. Alright, so I'm going to use some, just some regular charcoal that I bought. This one is Applewood Briquettes charcoal. Alright, and I'm going to light it. Alright, and I'm going to use this just to kind of just help me out. And I'm going to light it in this. So what I do is I'm going to put a little bit of fire. Put a little bit of charcoal in here. All right, I probably filled it up about halfway, really. And I'm gonna light it on fire, let it get hot. All right, and then I'm gonna throw it in the smoker, throw the wood on top, and let the festivities begin. All right, so I season my ribs, my beef ribs with a dry rub. I know this says pork ribs, but it's supposed to be really for pork ribs. We got the pig up there, but barbecue is barbecue. All right, barbecue is barbecue. So we're gonna see how this gonna turn out. I'm gonna pour some real sauce on it. I'm gonna pour some barbecue sauce on it a little later, but we're gonna see how this gonna go right now, okay? All right, the grill's a little dirty. Excuse that. I normally clean my grill, but I'm sorry. So I got a pan in there with some water in there just to kind of help with the moisture. Okay, I already got two little pieces of wood in there, but I'm about to add a whole fired up coal in there. All right. So I'm gonna bring this in here. Okay. Then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pour this in here. Okay. That's gonna heat up real nice. All right. Then I'm gonna put some dried wood in there. All right, and then I'm gonna gradually add some wet wood in there. All right, so everything is smoking. I got my fire lit in there. Okay, it's smoking. I got my ribs wrapped up. And I got a little piece of side meat on the side because that's going to get done a whole lot quicker. And everybody knows that I like to sample. So right now it just got started, so it's right under 200 degrees. So it's probably going to hit about 250 once it really, once the temperature really goes up. So what you do is you try to keep it lit to about that temperature. If it goes over or under, just as long as it don't go under 200, you good. But if it goes a little over, that's fine. Ain't no big deal. But I try to keep it between like 250, 300 or so. And we're gonna smoke this for 5 hours. So I got some wood over here soaking as well. So that's gonna help with the longevity of the wood and the smoke. All right, and the temperature, and we can always light more. It don't take a whole lot, really. If we have bigger logs, it'd be better, but that's a grill smoker, so it's not like it's a full-fledged pit or anything like that. But yeah, so I look forward to seeing what this is gonna be. Look at that smoking like that. Look at that. Look at that smoking. All right, so we look forward to seeing what the end is gonna be. All right, stay tuned. All right, it's been about 5 hours. Took these out of the oven. Well, not out of the oven, I'm sorry, it's late. Took these out of the smoker. Maintained the fire best way I could. I did go to sleep. So one thing about a traditional charcoal grill is that you got to be up to manage that fire. But they turned out good. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to finish it in the oven. I'm gonna douse it in some of this this was sent to me from Memphis by somebody in our ministry. Thank you, Vania. So I'm going to finish it with that. Put it in the oven, maybe for about 20 minutes or so, 20 to 30 minutes. So it looks pretty done, but you know, with smoked meat, especially with smoked beef, things tend to be a little pink, so I like to be sure. You know, as black folks, we like to be sure. But hey, this is my first time smoking beef ribs. All right, it's my first time smoking beef ribs. They've been smoking for 5 hours. All right, so we're gonna see how this goes. It's a little late in the hour. It is 12:49, so you know, I figure I'd try my hand at this to really see how this goes, and it turned out pretty good. I think it did. It's enough smoke flavor in it, so now I'm just trying to get it, I don't know, I guess more tender. But I want the sauce to really get on there real good, so we're gonna see how this goes. All right, y'all? All right, so I'm about to put these in the oven, 400 degrees, maybe for about 20 to 30 minutes or so. I done already used the barbecue seasoning. Okay. I brushed it with the barbecue seasoning, as you can see. I already had the dry barbecue up there, but it's good to put some wet barbecue up there too. So I just wanted to get it good up in there, you know, and also to make sure that it's completely done through and through. You know, when you smoking with charcoal, sometimes, yeah, y'all know how they go. I'm a beginner at this, y'all, so wish me luck. And voila, there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Not my best work, but I'm gonna wrap these up and go to bed now. All right. A brother is tired. You hear me? Tired. But I'm pretty sure these gonna taste better than they look right now. So I'm gonna try a piece, and I'm gonna let everybody know how it go. All right, so here go the taste test. Go pee. You can still taste the smoke flavor all up in that. Ain't been smoking that long. I'm pretty sure if I would have left that in the smoker longer, the meat probably falling off the bone. This was like a little rush job. Look at that, still juicy, all that. Look at all that. It's not tough. Look at God. It's not tough at all. It's too late for me to be eating all them. But it's good. Wow. Y'all forgive me. No, I'm gonna eat on camera. Maybe I need to make a habit of it. It's good. All right, y'all. I'm about to go bed. This one, it's wonderful. Wonderful.